Hi, mga Bibi, I'm back. It's Bibi Carms again, and I'm back at Bang Bang Oriental Food Court. Yes, I enjoyed the last time I was here, and I'm back again. I am bringing my friends with me. So that's why we are back. It's quite cold, but never mind. We're just going to enjoy the food. And join us! Join us! Look at this, mga guys. Mga Bibi ko. Look at that. What did you order? Ramen. That's a nice ramen. Very big serving. My goodness. Nice. And again, I ordered Xiaolong Bao. This time, I ordered 8 pieces. And again, the dragon boat. There you are, the green dragon boat. Ah, look at that. Nice. This is what you call Xiaolong Bao. Ito, masarap to. Daddy, you like, oh? Dali na. Gusto mo.
Sarap na parang kumakain ng balot.
Dad, humingi ka na ano ha, spare na plato ha, doon sa magbibigay sa'yo ng food ha.
Dapat may spare na bowl. May spare na bowl. Hingi ka rin.
Hingi ka doon sa bukod sa galing yan, Daddy.
Ito masarap.
Ang sarap, sige.
Alin
Ang
yun?
sarap-sarap nito.
Babalikan natin. Saan mo ba in-order to?
Tissue.
Doon, sa...
Walang tissue.
Hindi tayo kumuha ng tissue.
Kukuha ko rin mamaya.
Ang sarap. Super sarap talaga. Sige, we have to order another one. Kailan tatawainin muna natin in-order natin?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Nangyari?
Kinain ko yung wasabi.
Kaya tumama sa ilong mo.
Kinain ko yung wasabi.
Yan. Yan lang natin. Lagay yung ano.
Pag kinain mo ang sabaw na sa loob.
Careful
Ba?
sili yan.
Nakain ko yung wasabi. Parang umakyat sa utak ko yun. Yan, katakawan. That's how it is if you are rushing to eat. Wow! Another one.
Kunin mo lang ito. Ito may soup naman ako.
Oh. That,
Ito, tikman mo, ang sarap. Gusto mo? Tikman mo.
yep.
Tikman mo, masarap siya.
Ay! Naku!
Kaya nga pag
Wala! Ako na! Akin na! Ako na nga! Ako nang kakain. It's so spicy daw. The ramen daw is so spicy. But for me, it's not spicy. That's why they are telling me that finish all of it. Now I'm going to finish all of it because they cannot tolerate how spicy or hot it is. So, here I am. I will eat all of it. Ayan. So, again, we have to look for a different kind of dessert. Tingnan natin. Natutuwa talaga ako dito. I'm really enjoying the food here. So, medyo nakakabusog, nakakataba. Yes, it's fattening, but who cares? As long that I or you are enjoying. So, tingnan natin. Oh, that's bubble tea. I don't like the bubble tea. I found something here. Ang daming tao ngayon. There's a lot of people today. Bingsu. So, this one. Yan. So, I really wanted to try this one. Mango snowflakes. No, strawberry snowflake. And rice cake snowflake. Ooh. Ah, it's just like the same. That one. Hi. Is that rice?
No, it's milk. Yes.
Milk and gold. All right. So it's just like halo-halo. Daddy, para siyang halo-halo. Rice cake, snowflake.
Okay.
Ito, we'll try that one. Or red bean snowflake or strawberry snowflake. Let us see, what is that?
Ayun yung mango.
That's the mango. What is that?
It's a rice cake.
That's a rice cake. No, I don't, it doesn't. Sorry?
Soybean powder.
Uh-huh. What is most popular?
The popular one is mango.
The popular is mango. Okay. Alright, so we'll try the mango then. Daddy, let's just try the mango.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got mango sticky rice, but never mind. Kasi ang ganda niya, oh. That's the mango, oh. Yummy. Tingnan nyo. Meron silang, how do you call this one? Kimchi goji. I know. Yeah. What is this?
Topoki.
Topoki. Oh,
Topoki.
topoki. Where? Where? Ah, tuboki? Tuboki.
Makunat lang yung
Tuboki? Tuboki? Tuboki. I don't know. Anyway. Tuboki?
Yopoki or yopoki.
Yupoki? Yupoki? Oh, and corn dog. They've got corn dog. Look. Right, so tingnan nyo dito guys. Come here. There's several kinds of food. And we are just looking for a nice dessert. So we ended up ordering another rice. Was it a rice cake? No, it's not a rice cake. It's made of mango as well. So we will try that one. So I don't know really if how it will taste like. And we will see. So let's go. Guys, let's have a look. Ano, naghanap na siya ng kape? Ang lamig talaga. Daddy, ang lamig. It's cold. I know. Look, mga bibi. Ito yung doon sa para siyang halo-halo. But I don't know what is in underneath. But this is mango as well. So we will see. Tingnan nga natin. Sige, yung eat na.
Ano gusto mo, malamig o yung
Yeah, it looks like this is coconut.
parang snow?
Oh, ice! Yeah. It's just like a halo-halo.
Ano yan ilagay mo dyan?
Condensed.
Oh.
Oh, look! That is our mango sticky rice. Look, yan. Yan, ha? Parang wala nang bukas. Hey, try this one. This is nice. Para siyang halo-halo.
Ayun na, may kutsara na.
Yung kutsara na.
Okay. Now, mga bibi, let us try the mango sticky rice. Ito. Ha.
Siyempre, gininaw na siya. Makakakain.
Ang sarap. Para siyang, ano sabi mo?
Suman.
Suman. Para talaga siyang suman. Pero, lagyan natin siya ng mangga. Lagyan natin siya ng mangga. Mangga. Ay,
Medyo.
Ayaw magkasya.
Yung gata. Niluto sa gata. Suman. Pero ito masarap din, oh.
Sarap siya kuya.
Maganda yung
Masarap.
pagkakano niya ng ano, yung pinong-pino.
Pero pila yung rice na kutsara.
ang sarap.
Malamig. Hindi pa pwede.
Hindi ka rin. Suman. Hindi tayo makakamit sa suman.
Gamit. Sarap.
Parang suman.
Ang lasa talaga niya parang suman kasi talaga eh. Wala lang siya sa sa dahon sa dahon ng coconut. Pero actually the way they cook it para talagang suman talaga. Siguro sinain nila yung kanin sa gata. Or if you want to take some of the food home, if you got leftover, you can buy actually containers for 1 pound here. So, or
Kawaga
you just
baba,
have to
magkano?
buy
Kulang
food
kulang
that you're
20.
going to take away. So obviously the container is free. But if you've got leftover and then you want to
Mura yung
take
mga
it
pagkain
at
dito sa
home,
Luzon.
then
Tsaka yun nga,
you
yung
have to
kain
buy
na
a
kanin.
container, which is actually 1
Kahit 18 yun,
pound.
magkano yun? 15? 18.
Ayan mga bibi, we are done here. As what I said earlier, we really enjoy the food here and this is not going to be our second time and last time, hindi po. Because we really like the food. The food was cooked and was this tasted for good for our palate and the portions are so good and it's worth the drive to come over here. It's so good. Yeah, medyo malamig lang today because I think it's -2 outside. But then never mind. As long as we enjoy the food, we had some soup and we tried Thai food today and we had some Japanese food and what else did we order? Korean as well. So masaya kami. So apart from the food that we enjoyed the company of each other as well, and we had some fun talking about the food, talking about the people around us, and yes, so it's nice to be together. So mga bibi, it's time again to say thank you so much for joining me and do not forget to watch my videos and yeah, so see you next time. Bye!
Siguro mga 5 kanta lang yun.